Yo, what's up? It's Lil Bo, you know what I'm saying? Lil Yachty here with Funk Flex, you know what I'm saying? In the booth, you already know what's up. Lil Bo 2 just dropped. It's out everywhere. I need everybody to go get that right now, everywhere. You know what I'm saying? Just like that.
Before we even make any introduction, let's say how this came about. Okay, so I was in my bag. I posted on my gram about rappers. Lil Yachty got in the comments.
Cause you tagged me.
Yeah. I did. He didn't just jump in. I tagged him. Absolutely. Well, and to be more specific, we have had run-ins and bump-ins on the internet. Look.
Everybody know.
Look.
It's nothing new.
Look. He was like, yeah. We had run-ins, nigga. We had run-ins. So
everybody know.
We had run-ins, right? So then I called Chris Green's phone. I thought Chris was gonna pick up, and Yachty picked up, but he said, I thought he said it's Bo. And I was like, Bo? And I'm talking to him as if this is just somebody new, like this is his management team. He said, nah, it's Bo. I said, okay, so we talking. He was like, I wanna come up there and talk with you. And I said to him, I don't really do like the sit down interview thing, but if you want to do some bars, I'm open. Now, I didn't think he'd take me up on it, right? Then he said, he didn't say right away. Maybe we to conversate a little more. Then he said, yeah, I'm going to come up there. So I said, okay. So then we left it at that. The next thing I heard, he was coming. I said, okay. So now here we are. So now this is... You know what this is right here, right now. This is
the real deal.
This is
it.
Yeah, like this is it. Like this is like either we gonna do it or we not gonna do it.
Man, I felt like niggas was gonna hate regardless, so I'm here to fuck it. Niggas can't say I didn't do it.
Well, listen, I don't know what you're gonna do.
Hey man, I'm the type of nigga that's at least I say I did it. You know what I'm saying? Or as I would have been saying at home, wishing I did it.
Okay. Earns, what beat we going with? Oh, we doing that? Okay.
Nigga, free Reese, free Nino. The world is mine like a Mappuccino. Got more money than a left casino. Got caught fucking on a bitch and her boyfriend walked in wearing full chinos. Hopped out the back door, ran a faux flat. I was like way back. Nowadays I just sit and laugh. Chopstick, longest one giraffe. When I'm coming through, clear the whole path. Walked in the damn spot, it was all females. Nigga, fuck the whole staff. Goddamn nigga, 2-player. Why you hate? Cause I'm too rare. Young nigga, I'm a fresh prince. Could've bought a crib out in Bel Air. Fucking on a bitch from Delaware. 30,000 on new coat, called Peter up, gone and soak it in. Tag still hanging from me, had it for again, I ain't even broke it in. Diamond choker so tight, try to lift it up, shit not go over chin. In the studio, Migo gang, everything make us propane. Call 10 bitches from the blue flame, fuck them all, we ain't even know their name. Front row at the ball game, who that did dunking, shit that wasn't name. I don't even fucking watch sports, but my backyard like a golf course. Niggas hating on my dick shit, I got more guns than the task force. When I talk my voice kinda hot, niggas hating, usually sound kinda hoarse. My ex-bitch was built like a horse, she was 27, I was 19. Shotty there was a real style, but I ain't trust to feel like Shotty there was wildin'. Young nigga, bitch, I'm QC, you can see this shit through the gold medallion. After this, I'm out to Staten Island, got a young bitch, she be really styling. My young nigga told her Dirty K, I call him Dirty Dan, he a flippy van. Kick your door hard as Jackie Chan, take your chain right up off your nightstand, little nigga.
You said Staten Island?
Staten Island. You know what I'm saying? Look up.
Funk Flex. So it's no more Lil Yachty, it's just Bo.
All Bo, man.
All Bo. You see us, Funk Flex, the Bo. That's what I'm calling from here on in. Woo.